Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our summer science program here at the Hernando County Public Library. My name is Mr. Justin, and again, we're here celebrating our Fizz Boom Read summer reading program. So please come to the library or visit our website at hernandocountylibrary.us to see all the programs we got going on this summer. We also have our reading logs, Reading with the Rays, and our Fizz Boom Read. So make sure you come in and read throughout the summer. You can get some cool prizes. We also have our Teen Tween programs going out throughout the summer, so please check it out and come and register, and we'll have lots and lots of fun throughout the summer. But I do have a really cool program today. We're going to see what happens when we mix some soap bubbles, some water, some dry ice. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's what we need for this experiment. For this experiment, we're going to need a cup of water with some soapy water in it, and there's actually going to be a towel or a cloth in there with some that's been soaked up for a few minutes. We have a bowl. We got some water, and we got the very cool dry ice. You can see it right here. Dry ice is very cool, and we'll talk more about it as the experiment's going on, but you can get it at some supermarkets in the area, including some of the Publixes. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put some dry ice in the bowl. Now, you don't want to touch it because it can be very harmful to your skin. It can burn your skin if you touch it. So we're going to just place it in right there, and you can use gloves or towels in order to put it in, but I was just able to dump it in. And then we're going to take some water. Now watch what's going to happen when we put the water in the bowl. The dry ice, we can see it's turning into gas, isn't it? Dry ice is cool because it is a substance which is a solid, but it goes straight, when it touches air, it turns straight into a gas. It's never a liquid. So what happens is when we add the liquid to it, it speeds that process up, and we can just see how much gas is going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the cloth, and I'm making a mess here, but that's okay. Wow, look at that. So I'm going to kind of put it around the edges first, get some soapy edges going on. I'm going to put it back here in the water, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to put it over the front of the bowl, and let's see what happens. There we go. 20th time's the charm. So now what you're going to see is you can see that the bubble has formed in front, and you can see, let's push this back a little bit. You can see a bubble here. The ideal way would be we'd have a bubble on the entire top, and then it would build up this way, but it still might work that way. You can see what's cool about the bubble is it's kind of opaque, and that's the gas that we have inside of the bubble, the gas that's being formed from the dry ice giving off the gas. You can see the bubble is going up. It's getting a little larger. There's another cool angle of it. And again, you might want to do this experiment on a tablecloth or have lots of towels nearby. You can see I made a giant mess. And so we're just going to sit and we're going to watch. We're going to watch the bubble go. And eventually, what do you think is going to happen when the bubble can no longer take the gas that's forming in it? What happens to all bubbles? Exactly, it pops. So let's go ahead and hopefully we'll see that happening in a few minutes. And you can see the bubble. Let's put it at this angle. There we go. Almost looks like Jiffy Pop, if you know what Jiffy Pop is. That the parents out there know what Jiffy Pop is. There it goes, and it pops. And you can see the dry ice that was inside the bubble just going all over the table now. So that is our science experiment for this week. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.